Imagine this. Your editing is so good. People physically can't click off your video. No skipping, no scrolling. Just pure attention. That's not luck. That's a system. And today I'm giving you that system. I've spent years figuring out what actually makes people stay on a video. Not basic stuff like cutting silence. I'm talking about why people feel glued to your content. So I broke everything down into a 4-part editing system. But before we jump in, let me show you something. There's a creator. Let's call him Sam. Sam uploads a 25-minute video, barely any cuts, no fancy edits. And somehow, people still watch. So, editing doesn't matter? Not exactly. Sam did edit. He just edited for a different goal. His audience doesn't want fast-paced content. They want to feel like they're spending time with him. Now compare that to high-energy creators. Fast cuts, visual overload, constant stimulation. Both styles work because they serve different experiences. Pillar 1. Edit for the experience before you touch your timeline. Ask one question. What does my viewer want to feel? Chill and real gives slower edits. Fast and exciting gives quick cuts plus motion. Yes. If your editing doesn't match the expectation, people leave. Simple as that. Pillar 2. Visual attention. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They rely only on cuts. But attention isn't just about cutting. It's about what the viewer sees changing. Your brain is wired to notice movement. So if your video looks like this, same shot, same angle, same framing, you lose attention. Instead, create visual variety. A-roll, B-roll, graphics, overlays. Switch things up every few seconds, but with purpose. Pillar 3. Control, not chaos. Now here's where most creators mess up. They think more cuts equals more engaging. Wrong. Too many changes equals confusion. And confusion kills retention. Instead, keep shots longer when they're interesting. Add motion instead of cutting. Use slow zooms, pans, subtle movement. Guide attention. Don't just show an image, direct the viewer. Highlight, blur background, add arrows, zoom into key area. This is what separates beginners from pros. Pillar 4. Immersion. This is where videos become addictive. Seamless flow. No awkward cuts. No visual confusion. Everything should feel connected. For example, if something appears, gives animated in. If you cut gives, keep eye focus consistent. If you transition, gives make it smooth, because every small break in flow gives the viewer a chance to leave. Pillar 5. Audio. Now let's talk about what most people ignore. Sound. Good audio editing doesn't just support your video, it controls emotions. Use whooshes gives movement, hits gives impact, risers gives anticipation, drones gives tension, and then comes music. Music decides how your video feels. Fast equals excitement, slow equals emotion, suspense equals curiosity. And here's a pro trick. Cut or pause music suddenly. It instantly grabs attention. Final message. Editing isn't about being flashy. It's about control, attention, emotion, experience. And once you master that, people don't just watch your videos. They stay. If you want better retention, don't just edit more, edit smarter.